welcome back. I'm Zil Botatkar, a tarot and angel card reader, an integrative therapist and healer. Been in the field for more than 15 years. So let's start with our weekly reading. I'm using the tarot deck, which is one of my favorites. And let's see what the week is in store for you. I should just let you know that take what resonates with you, what doesn't, just let it pass. Okay? Let's begin. So this week's reading is done a little differently. This is Monday and Tuesday. This is Wednesday, Thursday, and this is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So let's see what Monday and Tuesday look like. Oh, very nice. Monday and Tuesday, you worked very, very hard. You're exhausted. You've had a tough week. Maybe in the last whole week has gone by that. So what the card is trying to say is, it is time to know that all the work that you put in, all the effort that you put in, just hang on with it, wait with it, because it will manifest. But you need to be very patient. Be careful, you may have some headaches or some kind of overthinking in the mind. Just be relaxed and practice some kind of breathing. And be assured that whatever you're going through, whatever you've planned, there is a way out of it, and somebody is going to help you move out of that zone and go into a better area. So you're swimming out of troubled waters very, very soon. And that's what Monday and Tuesday is going to be all about. When we come to Wednesday and Thursday, you've got the card, which you've got to be careful whether you're cheating yourself or somebody cheating you. Are you cheating yourself by not being honest to yourself? Are you cheating yourself by not really doing what you're supposed to do, which is for your own good health? It could be mental, physical, emotional, all. And be careful at work and at home that nobody's really hiding. Cheating doesn't mean that somebody is always going to take away something out of money, but it could be just information. So please check all your documents, read all your documents very, very clearly before you sign anything. And that is why you can't be standing and doing nothing. Don't feel as if there is no protection. Don't close your eyes to things. Be very, very vigilant. Keep your eyes open and know what's happening around you. If you need, reread into things so that you know. Step out of this modality that, oh my God, why does this always happen to me? Okay, so please, that's what Wednesday and Thursday. So a little tough days, but let's see what Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is in store for. So this one doesn't always mean heartbreak, okay? But what we're trying to say is that a lot of nurturing for self is going to be required. So give time to yourself. Do 3 things that you absolutely enjoy doing, and find out what you're going to enjoy the most and what you're going to give yourself. With this, also be very careful if you're going through any kind of heartbreak or any kind of health issues. This is a marker for you to understand. You need very good sleep. So sleep well, and because the week could look tough, the weekend is going to go in more trying to assimilate all your thoughts, to understand what's happening so that you know how to go forward with it. But it's going to end with a lot of celebration time. So though you're going to, looks like a very tough week with lots of ups and downs, looks like also that it's going to be a very interesting way to close. So a lot of celebration, probably a new space. You may even travel the weekend, and you may even find a romantic partner for yourself if you don't have one. So that's the weekly reading for you. As I said before, what resonates, take. What doesn't, just let it go. This is a general reading. And wishing you lots of love, and see you next week. Bye.